Hey guys, today we're going to do something a little different. It's still a benefits video. However, I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own hand sanitizer. First, you start here with the aloe vera. I've got a couple chopped up, so we're going to start cutting these. Aloe vera is great for the skin. Its benefits include treating burns, acne, and dry skin. It also contains antioxidants, enzymes, vitamin A, and vitamin C. It's also extremely anti-inflammatory as well as antibacterial. This is wonderful for both your hair and your skin. For your hair, it actually helps repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner, and it leaves your hair shiny and smooth. It helps and promotes hair growth and prevents itching on the scalp and reduces dandruff. When cutting the leaves, you want to make sure you get all the green off, all of the skin off of it, and just get the flesh of the leaves. Once I'm done getting the majority of the flesh out of the skin, I like to go in and scrape any extra gel off of the skin of the leaves. After cutting all of the aloe vera flesh out of the leaves, you're left with these cubes that you will then hand blend, and then you get this. Now I'm gonna add alcohol, and you can use whatever percentage alcohol you want, but the higher the better. And you want equal parts alcohol to aloe vera gel. Of course, you can just buy aloe vera gel, but I like to use the gel straight from an aloe vera leaf. You mix together the alcohol and the aloe vera gel, and that's basically it for your hand sanitizer. I go in and I make different types, so I'm going to actually add some orange essential oil. In this one, I've made others with lavender or other antibacterial herbs like thyme or oregano, but I'm adding orange essential oil just for scent so that it doesn't smell so alcohol-y. Mix that in real well, and you've got yourself some hand sanitizer.